To connect earbuds into your Poco F8 Ultra, first of all, you have to enter for the pairing mode on your earbuds. So in my case, I'm using Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, and I have to input both of them inside the charging case. I have to open this charging case, and I have to click and hold the button that is available on the right side. And it actually depends on the model that you have. But in my case, I have to hold this button until this indicator starts blinking white. And I have to keep that case open right now. I cannot close it because the pairing will be turned off. We have to open the Bluetooth settings on our Poco F8 Ultra. We have to turn it on and we have to refresh the list to find our earbuds. And this pairing will looks a little bit different. Sometimes you have to wait until the indicator starts blinking green, red. Sometimes it blinks with the green, red and blue, so it depends on the model. You have to accept the pairing request and you will be connected after a few moments.